Hi dolls, it's Roxy. So today I partnered with FabFitFun to bring you this video. Did you guys know that FabFitFun just released their fall box? I am so excited. For those of you that don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription that has beauty, fashion, wellness, lifestyle products all inside of this box, and they are all full-size products for only $49.99, and it has a $200 value every single season. So I'm gonna show you what I have inside, and they also allow you to customize some of the products inside your box. So let's just see what I have. But before we get started, I do have a coupon code that I will put down in the description box below for $10 off your first box. Yes, I know, $10 off your first box. So let's see what I got. All right. Oh my God, okay, this box is so huge and it's so full, literally to the top, of full-size products. So this is a little like magazine that basically shows you everything that's inside of this box. This month they have Christina Applegate, who is a advocate for breast cancer. So that some of these proceeds will actually go to help out breast cancer. So this is nice. And it comes with some cards. Again, I'm gonna put a coupon code down in the bottom for you guys to receive $10 off your first box. All right. Share to win, FabFitFun. Oh my God, look at all the stuff that comes inside. It is literally full. Like, you expect to get like 3 things, but there is so much goodies inside here. I am excited. Okay, first off, we got a beauty blender. Like, I mean, this alone is worth, I think, like $20. So you're already getting like basically your money back with just basically like 2 products. Okay, so then we have here the Touch and Soul metallic lipstick. Let's see how this looks. This is so pretty for fall. I can't wait to try this. Oh my God, it's kind of like the color that I have on right now. So this is the Touch and Soul metallic liquid lipstick duo. So this one is the liquid, and then we have the gloss. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see how pretty. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And then this one is the gloss that you could put over it. So pretty. Can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh, how cute is this umbrella? Okay, so this is by Catherine. Oh my God, this color is so pretty. They say it's bad luck to open an umbrella indoors, but we're gonna do it anyways. We're just gonna do it because I want to show you guys how cute it is. Woo! So pretty. I love this. Ugh. So we got the Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Let's smell this. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. The Italian collection. It's Alpine Rose, Sage, Basil, and Autumn Blossom. So perfect for fall. And I still have so much more in here. Okay, let's see what we got. Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. So again, it has everything from fashion, beauty, wellness, lifestyle. How pretty are these towels? Oh my God, and they look so cute in my kitchen. The color is just phenomenal, and the texture, like, they feel so soft. So I can't wait to put these out. Just a pretty gray and white towel. I believe there's 2 of them here. Yeah. right, and we got the Luna Rica cashew butter filled with fruit nut bar, gluten-free, non-GMO. So you guys know I'm all about that organic lifestyle. Can't wait to try this. This is salted caramel nut. Yum. Okay, and then I got 2 Hollywood, California Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. So I will be trying these tonight. What else is in here? What is this? Botanical Beauty. Restored cream cleanser, olive leaf plant extract. Okay, well this we're gonna need to test out later because we don't have time to open that because there is still so much stuff in here. Oh, maybe just 2 more things. Okay, so we got the Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. How adorable is this? For those of you guys that don't know what Alfred is, it's basically like a little coffee and tea spot here in LA. I don't know if they have them everywhere, but I know they're very popular and very IG worthy. There we go. Oh my gosh, how cute, a little teapot. How pretty. So this is for obviously your hot water, and then you put your tea in here and you just let it what is it, like come to a boil, I guess, and then you just pour your tea. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so lastly is this Vince Camuto bag. This is so awesome. Oh my God, this tote bag is seriously gonna come in handy. Okay, so this bag is vegan leather and it comes in this black color. It also comes in a brown. So I'm so excited for fall because literally it fits so much. And you guys know, having 2 babies, I mean, I need to carry the world with me. So this will fit like this umbrella. I mean, it will fit like some snacks for on the road. I mean, everything. Look at how cute. So that was everything in my FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I have a $10 off your first box coupon code down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.